Hey guys, this is the 511 Tactical Push Pack, and here I have the upgrade kit. Let's see, a couple things about this real quick. On one of the handles I added a buckle, so you can loop stuff in here and use it to carry. I have glow-in-the-dark beads and 4 little rolls of duct tape here. Let's see, this is Gorilla Tape here in the black, and it's 2 feet. And this is just regular duct tape, the red, and this is about 5 feet. Let's see, the handles are bigger. I made them bigger, and it gives the bag a really nice custom look. So we'll start with the zipper pulls. I already did the first 2, as you can see. What I do makes it really easy is I take a little piece of the gut from 550 cord, and I loop it through. I like to pull it from the back through to the front. I prefer this because when you loop it through, it looks like it's folded over. Let's see, I like the look that it gets when you do it that way. Let's see, the handles don't take very long. I prefer for the buckle side to be facing outward of me, so when I carry this, it's on my right side, and so on the pack's right, that's where I've chose to put the buckle. So the best strategy for placing this is when you figure out how you want to place it, you take the top cord and you loop it outwards towards the inside. And just loop it through just like that. You want to get a Gerber. Try to cinch off as much of it as you can. And then you want to come in with some scissors. I'm going to burn the ends together so they stay. So now you also have an option when doing the handles. You can either use them to taut, like you can press down, compress the Cobra weave here together, and it won't be as flimsy, see? Or you can pull it apart, which is what I prefer to do, to give you more basically space, but it's more loose that way. So like I said, you want to take the top one and put it over the outside in. Pull it through. At this point, if you want to, you can just unbuckle that. It won't be as difficult. I like looking at it when it's all bubbling and stuff. Alright, there you go. Pretty straightforward. On to the next one. Make sure you have the top. Just slide it on through. Did not put a buckle on this side. I didn't feel it necessary for both. But yeah, if you put this thing tighter and then jam a sheath in there, holds pretty tight. I got a knife strapped in here pretty good. It's never come off. It's been there for a while. Remember, when you're doing this, you want to take the outside part, go from the outside in. Last one. There you go. It's pretty easy. It's all done. It's got a nice handle, gripping. Mine always kind of did get stuck a little bit. It's not the handle. So yeah, you can loop in there pretty much whatever you want. Stays off to the side. Doesn't really get in the way of anything. I custom made these. I kept the 511 tabs. This is what they look like in actuality in the listings. This is the tan. I also have them in black. It's whatever color you happen to get. And so thanks for checking this out. And you can find me on YouTube, eBay, and Facebook. Thank you.